Book writing tips in under 1 minute. Here's tip number 2. When you're about to start some writing, get into the zone. In Mark McKeon's book, How to Get Into the Zone, he refers to that you need to be in what he calls the green zone or the go zone. And that means that you need to dedicate around about 2 hours to something that you really want to do. And writing, I'm assuming, is something that you really want to do. So get into that zone for 2 hours, turn off the TV, turn off your phone, turn off social media, put a sign on the door, tell all the family that you're about to write for the next 2 hours and you are not to be disturbed. At the end of it, you're going to have some fantastic work. Sounds like a lot of work though? No, because at the end of that, you can put yourself into the no zone. Go to the movies, have lunch, catch up with the friends, have a coffee, go for a swim. That's my writing tip for number 2. Get yourself into the zone. You're going to produce fantastic work.